So I just went over this real quick. Look for little spots and dents in the finish after I put that coat of paint on there. This project's turning into all filler, no killer. This didn't turn out too bad. There's a couple spots I filled. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a real light sanding, give it its second coat, and then we could slap it on the base here. I haven't painted this because I want to make sure I got a real good glue connection in between the base and the podium itself.
I've seen this movie before.
Well, I did take a couple days off. I don't think this is gonna work anymore. I have to get that out of there and pour in a fresh batch. Now you might be wondering why I don't use the liner in these, and the fact of the matter is, this stuff here, as soon as it dries, it peels right off. So for just a couple minutes of cleaning, I mean, you save another piece of plastic from going into the dumpster, right? And back in the day when these were made out of metal, sure, the paint would stick to that and then that'd be a pain, but these ones here, I mean, just take 2 seconds, peel your paint off, and it's just like new. Ta-da! You get the idea. Okay, so I put the base, I put the podium upside down, put the base on it, and what we're gonna do now, before we attach it, is center it. So I'm just gonna go around with the ruler and measure all these edges here, how much is sticking out, so that it's even all the way around. Then I'll go underneath, and I'll trace that out with a pencil. We'll drill some holes in there, and then attach it together. So here are all those holes marked out. Drill from this side, flip it over, and countersink on the other side. Okay, everything's marked out, pre-drilled. We're gonna throw some glue on there, and then I'm gonna use these big deck screws just to make sure we get a really good fit. And the hole's real secure. There goes nothing. Waiting my whole life for this moment. May have went a little too crazy with the glue again. Now because the marks are on here, lining it up is going to be real easy this time. I just want to make sure I avoid moving this around too much. Glue smeared everywhere. This looks pretty good. You're trying to hold back. I'm saying I hope I don't screw this up. Alright, well, there I said it. No, because I'm using screws. In case you can catch that. Awkward. There we go, attached. Now while that's drying, we're gonna tackle the front here. You're able to see what I mean earlier when all that paint bled through. So what I think I gotta do now that I put a second coat on the front and that's all done, is put masking tape along here and use a razor blade to cut the leathers out, then spray paint it. We'll give that a shot and see how that goes. Okay, I got this all masked up. We're gonna take an X-Acto knife here and just cut out the letters. Hopefully that works out okay, and then we'll shoot it with some spray paint. See how that works. Okay, with that all cut out, round 2 of the spray paint. Hopefully this works. Come on. Some things you just can't do with one hand, you know? See if we can get a better angle than I did the last time I tried this. There we go. Well, it's going to take 2 or 3 coats for sure, but fingers crossed. Hey, welcome back. We're going to do the same thing we did to the bottom, just flipsy doozy. We're going to measure the top, make sure it's centered, screw it in, and geez, we're going to be almost on our journey here. So let's get this thing centered up. So, 4. All right. Two and 3/4. What you do? Some dummy painted underneath of this black. I want to be able to see my pencil line, so hopefully the Sharpie does a little better. Oh, my painted top. Let's do this. For my lesson last time, I don't need as much glue here. A lot of squeeze out. And screws are going to be doing most of the heavy lifting. And the glue just for bonus points. Oh mon dieu. Oh. Sand UC pen. Oh, pretty game bar. Oh my gosh. Okay. Drop it like it's hot. Flashlight. Flashlight. Oh, not even close. I'm good. Ugh. Not that mess. That's okay. Who cares what it looks like under here? Oh. Old man grunts. Oh boy. Like me when I get up off the couch, a lot of the cracking noises. Ooh. Wow, for a smaller screw. Oh, small bore. Oh, it lives. Let's see how she turned out. Fingers crossed. Keep you all in suspense. Ooh, that's coming. Okie dokie. I'll give this paint a little longer to dry here. Alright, should be hopefully the last coat on most of these pieces here. Just gonna go around it one more time, see how she looks, and yeah, take it from there. Well, there it is. Finally done. Got the lettering all typed up. You can see some paint still drying. Hopefully that, oh, there you go. Hopefully that kind of mimics the back and goes away. I have to say, a little more work than I was expecting, but I think it was worth it. Looking mighty fine. For the two of you that stuck around through the whole thing, thanks for watching. Hope you had some fun with me in the shop here, and who knows, maybe we'll do another video someday. We'll see. Keep that boost tube going. One last little pan around.